steam train. Steam train. This is the really steam train. Let's draw another train. This is the diesel train. Vroom vroom, I'm a diesel train. Diesel train. This is the real diesel train. Wow, this is the electric train. Zoo, zoo. I am an electric train. Electric train. This is the real electric train. Let's draw a big train. This is the passenger train. Hello friends, I carry paper. Passenger train. This is the real passenger train. Look at this long train. This is the freight train. I carry boxes. I'm a freight train. Freight train. This is the real freight train. Let's draw a city train. This is the metro train. I run in the city. Metro train. This is a real metro train. Wow, monorail. This is the monorail. I run on one rail. Monorail. This is a real monorail. This train is fast. This is the high-speed train. I am very fast. High-speed train. This is a real high-speed train. Super fast. This is the bullet train. Zoom zoom, I'm a bullet train. Bullet train. This is the real bullet train. Great job,